Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming PCs, and we've got an absolute powerhouse on our hands. The Thermaltake Graphite 360 Gaming PC. Ranked as one of the best gaming CPUs available in the market, this beast of a machine is sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Let's break down what makes this gaming rig stand out from the competition. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU and featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, this PC is built for speed and performance. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or tackling intense multitasking, the Thermaltake Graphite 360 has got you covered. But it's not just about what's under the hood. The Thermaltake Graphite 360 also boasts a sleek and stylish design. With its swing door tempered glass and magnetic mounting, this gaming rig not only looks great but also offers easy access to its components for hassle-free upgrades. Connectivity is key when it comes to gaming, and this PC doesn't disappoint. With multiple USB ports, headphone and mic jacks, and support for Wi-Fi, you'll have everything you need to stay connected and immersed in your gaming experience. Now, let's hear what some of the users have to say about their experience with the Thermaltake Graphite 360. Customers have praised its value for money, high-end performance, and eye-catching appearance. However, some have reported issues with crashing and boot up, so it's essential to consider all aspects before making your purchase. In conclusion, the Thermaltake Graphite 360 Gaming PC is a top contender in the gaming PC market, offering impressive performance, sleek design, and excellent value for money. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this PC has what it takes to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!